Hello everyone, as welcome to yet another wonderful video about TBC. Today I'll share with you guys some important information released yesterday by the TBC admin through the send button meeting, and also to let those people who are yet to migrate that they have less than 3 days, okay, to carry out the migration process. Okay, so before I'll do a video on how to migrate, but before I go into that, okay, first of all, I'm going to point out some important information that came through yesterday's send buttons meeting. So I'll head to the blog, and by the way, I'm doing the presentation from the Billion Coin app. So if you are not using the Billion Coin app and you are using an Android device, make sure to go and get it. It's available on Google Play Store. If you have not updated to the latest version, please do so that you'll be able to get notification each time a blog post is released. All right. So right now I'm in the blog post. I'm in the blog, but I'm not going to focus on these articles. I'm going to go straight to. So let me just skip straight to the bottom. Okay, so let me just go straight to the bottom. Okay, by the way, congratulations to everyone who participated in the send button, who won the contest. Okay, who won the weekly contest. Congratulations to all of you. Okay, so this is where the final one is. We will close the TBC 004 archive on August 22nd, 2019. Okay, so that is clear message to everyone. Okay, so this is the admin credit projection that shows if we continue with the admin credit, where what the outcome probably be, like how many people probably added to the community. Okay, and it's increasing by the day. You can see, the effort made and the impact of the admin credit. Okay, so still on the merchants, like I did in the video, details about the upcoming merchant promo. As you can see, the TBC admin has stated here that we need more merchants fast. So we will give merchants an admin credit deal times 50 per week. They will get 2 additional admin credits every time they use the last. They will get 2 additional admin credit every time they use the last admin credit, up to 50 times in a week. In other words, up to 100 admin credits a week during September to use. Sign up as many as 400 of their customer in September. This could create a 4,000 to 5,000 monthly passive residual income for all of them starting in October. So I will explain that about the passive income aspect. Okay, then the registration form. Now, the whole registration process starts with you registering, okay, then filling your profile, then making your payment. Now, the TBC admin is going to bring the payment first before registration. Okay, payment before registration, because we have a lot of people who just sign up and don't make the payment. So they don't get free coins, they just occupy space. So the TBC admin stated here that we have about 500 to 1,000 signups a day that never pay admin fee. And it's cluttering our database. So you just have a database, a non-efficient database, because it costs a lot of money to put up a database, and you have store all the data of every single TBC. So, but when you have people occupying space who are not giving value and at the same time just occupying space, it becomes more expensive for the admin, because the right people won't, the right people will not find easy space for them to be on the database. So what it simply needs to do is just put the payment option to see if the people who are really interested in this before they sign up, then take them to registration. Okay. So, but the moment you make payment, okay, like say starting this week, new members will pay first using an email address, then go through the registration process immediately afterwards. But we will allow up to a 7-day gap between payment and registration. But payment alone will not get them access to KCBO. They have to complete both steps before they can log into their Clinical Cashback office. This will make it easier to use admin and bulk credits quickly when signing up a new member. More details to come once this process is set up and working good. So more exciting things to come. So we have the deadline for migration. We have merchant promo coming soon. Now we have a renewed registration process now to make sure that our database is being used effectively. And instead of having people just packing space, we have people who are really interested in what we are offering and willing to go the extra mile in order to make sure that it comes to fruition. So guys, that's it for this blog post. I don't want to prolong it, but you guys have gotten the message of the blog, of the post, of this broadcast, okay? So that you guys will be able to understand what's going on, what's going to come up, and what is really about. But I'm going to do a video, okay, on how to migrate, so that those people who are here to migrate will understand the process of migration, because hey, they have less than 3 days to do so. So guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel, give a thumbs up, and share the video with your friends. Till I see you guys next time, remain blessed.